Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by pairing fast so we can fix sound settings. Make sure your AirPods Pro 2 are charged and in pairing mode. Once connected, open Windows settings and go to Bluetooth and devices to confirm the device shows as connected. You need a stable link before adjusting codecs and drivers. Without that, changes won't apply. If Windows shows two audio profiles, choose the one labeled stereo. Now that you're paired and visible, move on to driver and codec adjustments to improve fidelity. Now update Bluetooth drivers. Open Device Manager, find your Bluetooth adapter, right-click and update driver. This ensures support for higher quality profiles. Once done, open Sound Settings, select your AirPods, then Device Properties Additional Device Properties, and set the default format to 16-bit, 48000HC for best compatibility and reduced artifacts. Also disable the hands-free AG audio service when you want stereo music. Windows defaults to low-quality call mode when active. These steps give you cleaner, fuller audio. Finish by fine-tuning placement and interference. Plug the Bluetooth adapter into a front or USB 3.0 port and keep devices that emit 2.4 GHz signals away. This reduces dropouts. If problems continue, reset the AirPods Pro 2 by holding the case button until the amber light flashes, then repair. Finally, if Windows still forces a bad codec, try toggling available codecs in third-party utilities or use a dedicated Bluetooth dongle that supports aptX or AAC. If none of this helps, test with another PC to isolate hardware issues.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.